Cool. Here's Sky. She's doing good. We got her. This toy's bigger than her. And she loves it. It's so funny though, watching her try to play with this thing. Because it's so big. Where'd she go? Sky! There she goes. Say hello. Ow. Easy. Let go, Aiden. Yeah, let go of it. You gotta let go of it, love. There she goes. You gonna give me? You gonna give me a toy? You gonna give me a toy? Ooh. Hi, honey. How are you today? He's sick today. Poor baby. Don't put your foot in her face. I don't want her to bite you now. Sky, Sky. Good girl. You gonna give me? It's funny to watch her play with it because she's so little. It's a big old toy. And she's... Oof. She can handle it though. She can handle it. Okay. So that was a puppy update. I'm not gonna make this long. Oh, you got a squeak out of it. Oh, got some squeaks. You got some squeaks. Alright, we're gonna go. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Good girl. Bye-bye.